Hey love bugs, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jazz. So I am here to show you all my wash day routine. So this is actually going to be a little bit more of a deep condition wash day since it's been about 2.5 weeks since I washed my hair. So these are all of the products that I'm going to be using on my hair today. I'll list it right over here so you guys can write it down, and I'll also put a link in the description. All right, let's go. Okay, so I start off by drenching my hair in water. I then add my Carol's Daughter cleansing conditioner. I put it all over my hair. I like to separate it into 4 sections. Again, these sections are not perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Almond and Avocado Design Essentials Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner to detangle my hair section by section. Once I'm done detangling, I'll add my Cream of Nature Acai Berry and Keratin Strengthening Shampoo. Then I'll add my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Conditioner and let that sit in my hair. I'll then start working on the next side and do the exact same thing. As you can probably see, I am separating the sections into more sections because I have 3 different textures in my hair. The bottom is really loose and then the middle is very thick and it needs more attention. Alright, so now I'm going to put in the Keratin and Green Tea Shampoo by Alpha-G. My hair absolutely loves this stuff. Alright, so now I added the Keratin 2-Minute Reconstructor by Alpha-G. I twisted my hair up and I'm going to let it sit there until I am done with detangling all of my hair. Okay, love bugs, we are doing the exact same thing as we did in the back to the front. Again, I have different textures in my hair, so I am splitting the sections into smaller sections so I can handle each section appropriately. I said sections like 3 times. Alright, so now I'm going to use the Design Essentials Rosemary Mint Deep Conditioner. I'm going to put this all over my hair and I'm going to put a plastic bag on it and I'm going to leave this in for about 5 to 10 minutes.
Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I am washing this out my hair, and when I tell you my hair feels so moisturized and soft, it's amazing. I give this deep condition a 10 out of a 10.
Alright guys, I am finished. This is my wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.